The Pyle MAXP64 car subwoofer delivers strong low end for compact factory locations, with a 6.5-inch frame that still handles demanding bass tracks confidently. Its high peak power handling and 4-ohm impedance work well with typical aftermarket amplifiers, letting you get noticeably fuller sound without redesigning your whole system. The black non-pressed paper cone strikes a good balance between lightweight and rigidity, so bass notes hit with more punch and less muddiness than many stock speakers. A high-temperature aluminum voice coil and vented motor structure help this driver stay stable during longer listening sessions, reducing the risk of thermal stress when you turn the volume up. The foam surround and rubber magnet boot add a layer of protection against vibration and physical wear, which is useful in daily driven vehicles that see plenty of bumps and temperature changes. With a shallow mounting depth and included template and hardware, installation is straightforward in most doors or rear decks, and it is equally at home in cars, boats, or recreational vehicles.